Hi, in this video I unbox and learn how to use a Boss RC-505 loop station.
If you like it and you want more, you should hit subscribe.
Here we go. Oh my god! Outstanding live performance for avant-garde loopers. Is that what I've become? Have I become an avant-garde looper? Okay, let's open this box. Ooh! Eee! Ho 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 ho! Ho ho ho! Amazing. Oh, it comes with a novel and a supplementary novel. Wowzers. Right, let's plug this bad boy in and see what the hell it can do.
If you like it, I think you should press like.
I didn't look at the instructions, I just started pressing buttons and I looped some acoustic guitar. Some harmony vocals, some drumstick noises, some clapping, some drum samples, egg shaker, you know, all of that kind of business, and this is what I came up with. What an amazing piece of kit. I'm so pleased I've got this. I'm really looking forward to digging into that manual and sort of exploring all the other things it can do, because it can do a lot of stuff. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button for me. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay sane, and until next time, goodbye.
If you would like to support this channel, why not become a patron on Patreon? Follow the links below.